All right, so here we go. We're headed down into the very bottom, into the shelter area. And at this point, we're basically like pretty far underground, safe from any kind of like missile or rocket attack because you're below the street level. Yeah, we could, huh? Okay, so right after we got the missile alert, we got another missile alert, and we made it to the grocery store to get some groceries, but now we're pretty much locked down here in the underground area. The police have blocked off the stairs to go back up to the street level, and they're turning off the lights down here, dimming the lights. So this is going to be really interesting. I'm not sure if we can get out. We'll see. Yeah, looks like we can. Okay, we're going to try to get out.
And then what we should do.
Did you hear that?
I don't know, what is that?
I don't know either.
So they have like a fire alert. It's
yeah.
Too bad I don't have this telegram. They should have like a... Really don't know what to do. Should I stay here or should I get out? Telegram.
We should probably go back to the hotel. There's a shelter in the hotel. Mm-hmm. If you go down to the first level, there's like 6 more levels below ground in the hotel on the staircase.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it.
Go quick.
All right, we made a decision. We're moving to the hotel so we don't get stuck down here. So it's kind of a scary situation because really a rocket or a missile could strike at any moment once you hear the sirens go off. But we're going to try to move to the hotel and take shelter there. I don't know either. Yeah, I don't think we can get through that way. Let's try going the other way. As you can see, here I'll just kind of show you. It's nighttime. The lights are still on outside. And there's a lot of people.
Okay, дякуємо дуже. They said there's a drone Kamikaze coming here.
Oh, Kamikaze drone. That's wonderful. Headed our direction. Okay, great. So yeah, so apparently there's a Kamikaze drone. That's like a FPV drone that they load with explosives, right?
No, it's like a...
Or a big...
50 kilogram of explosives.
50 kilograms of explosives. Minimum. Wonderful. Minimum, said Vasily. Okay. So you can see we're right here in the main square. There's our hotel. In the background, there's police everywhere. They started putting up roadblocks today. We noticed. So let's see if we can make it safely back to the hotel, shall we?
Just like explain to your kids.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're back in the hotel. I'll keep you posted. If there's any rockets or anything like that, we'll turn the camera back on. If not, have a safe night.